Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative products. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive emergency solutions with the LOKITHOR JA300 jump starter with air compressor. If you've ever been stranded with a dead battery or low tire pressure, this could be the ultimate tool for you. Stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's being hailed as the best portable car battery jump starter with an air compressor on the market. Let's kick things off by introducing the star of today's show, the LOKITHOR JA300 jump starter with air compressor. This compact yet powerful device packs a punch with its 1500A starting power and 12 volts portable car battery booster pack. But that's not all. It also features a built-in 150 psi tire inflator with a digital screen, making it a versatile tool for all your automotive needs. Now, let's delve into some of the standout features of the LOKITHOR JA300. First up, its impressive starting power of 1500A, which can restart your vehicle in just 1 to 3 seconds. With up to 30 starting times on a single charge, it's suitable for gasoline engines up to 7.0 L and diesel engines up to 4.5 L. Plus, its ultra-long standby time of up to 720 days means you can rely on it when you need it most. But wait, there's more. The JA300 isn't just a jump starter, it's also a smart and powerful tire inflator. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow of 35 L per minute, it can quickly inflate your tires to the desired pressure. Plus, it supports tire pressure detection, preset value stopping, and unit switching for added convenience. Safety is paramount when dealing with automotive emergencies, which is why the JA300 comes equipped with multi-protection features. From short-circuit protection to overcurrent protection, reverse connection protection, and more, you can rest assured knowing that you and your vehicle are in good hands. What sets the JA300 apart from the competition is its 4-in-1 multi-functionality. Not only does it serve as a car battery booster and tire inflator, but it also doubles as a portable power bank and LED flashlight. Whether you need to charge your smartphone or illuminate your surroundings, the JA300 has you covered. Worried about reliability? Fear not, because the LOKITHOR JA300 comes backed by a 12-month warranty. With our brand's dedication to quality and customer satisfaction, you can purchase with confidence knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the LOKITHOR JA300 jump starter with air compressor. From its powerful starting power to its smart tire inflator and multifunctionality, it's clear why this product is considered the best portable car battery jump starter with an air compressor on the market. Don't let automotive emergencies catch you off guard. Invest in the JA300 today and drive with peace of mind. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and until next time, happy driving.